Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Power off the headphones and unplug cables so you don't damage drivers. Place them on a soft surface to protect the headband. Next, locate the seam and gently twist each ear pad while pulling outward to unclip it. This prevents tearing. Once removed, inspect the foam and mesh for glue or debris. Knowing what's inside helps you choose a cleaning method that won't dissolve adhesives or distort shape. With the pads off, prepare a mild soap solution. Too strong a cleaner will strip coatings. Dip the cloth and wring until just damp. You'll wipe the cover and foam gently to lift oils and sweat without saturating the inner foam, which deforms when wet. For seams and mesh, use a cotton swab dampened with solution to target grime. Once clean, press with a dry towel to remove moisture, then set pads flat to air dry. Make sure they're fully dry. When pads are dry, align the tabbed edge with the cup groove and press evenly around the circumference until you hear or feel the clips engage. This ensures a secure seal and proper acoustic coupling. Once reassembled, test at low volume to confirm fit and no rattles or muffled sound. If the pad doesn't secure, double-check for trapped fabric or residual moisture. If clips are broken or foam collapsed, replace the pad. Replacement preserves comfort and restores original sound performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.